Good morning, students.
Good morning!
Okay, so how are you today? Oh, very good. Very energetic. So what day is today? Today is Monday. And tomorrow will be? What day is tomorrow?
Tuesday.
Very good, by Wood. So what's the weather like today? Yes, it's sunny day and a little bit cloudy. Maybe it will rain the same as yesterday. It was raining yesterday, right? Okay, so before we will start our discussion, we will going to sing first the song. You remember the hello song? Hello, hello. You ready? Sing. Today, I'm good. Are you feeling well today? Yes. Okay, so let's review our lesson last time. Last time we learned about the letter X, right? X, which is part of the EH group. So for today, we are going to learn the vowel letters. Do you know what are the 5 vowel letters? A, E, okay, A. What is the sound of A? How about the E? No. F. How about the letter I? E. How about the letter O? And letter U? Okay, so in the book, we have some pictures. A is for, what are the words that starts with A? A is for alligator. A is for alligator. Apple. Very good. How about the letter E? E is for elephant. Next is the letter. Yes. Letter O. And the last one is letter. What letter is this again? U. Down. So A. What's the sound of A? And How about the E? Letter I. Isabel. Igloo. Igloo, not igloo. Igloo. Insect. Oliver. Ostrich. You. On the side is up. Uncle Jim. Upside down. Okay. I want the girls only. Okay, girls, please stand up. Girls. Girls, stand up. Okay, girls. Go. Sit back. Girls. Okay, A is for Andy. Letter E. Letter I. Letter O. Letter U. Very good. Clap your hand for yourself. Next, we only have two boys here. Only Caleb and Pautan. Pero, Caleb, can you please move your Only two boys. So, ready? A is for Andy. Here we go. And letter E. Very good. I. Igloo. Letter O. Oliver. Ostrich. Letter U. Uncle. Okay, very good. Okay, now I will tell a word and you will say the letter. What letter is it? Are you ready? So Teacher Joy will say a word and then you will say what letter, what is the beginning sound? Octopus. What letter? Letter O. Very good. Alligator. Hey. Upside down. U. Elephant. E. Omelette. I always said I. Is it I? Omelette? Oh. Okay, how about elbow? Elbow. E. Very good. So I have here some pictures also. Later on, I'm going to call a student here, and then you're going to paste the picture on the board. So I will write letters here. Okay, Teacher Joy will going to write the letters. I will write A, E, I, O, U, and then you're going to put the picture below the letter. Okay, what is the beginning sound of the picture? Are you ready? Do you understand? Do you understand what to do? No, haven't said no. So I will call 10 students, only 10 because there are only 10 pictures. Yes. It's okay. So I will write the letter first. I will write your A, E, I, O, U. Okay, now I will show a picture and then I will call someone and put it below the letter. Okay, you understand? Below the letter. Understood? So first, I have here, what is it? Octopus. Okay, you have your octopus. How about this one? Yeah? Elephant. Very good. This one, what's this? Egg. Very good. What is this? The car is what in the picture? Upside down. Very good. Yes. If there will be an accident, of course, what will happen to the car? Upside down. Yes. Okay, next we have igloo. Want to come here and then? Because we don't have like this in Thailand, right? And go to, where is it? Antarctica? Somewhere in Antarctica, it's cold places. How about this? What's this? Apple. Very good. Again? Ostrich. Ant. Big ant. Are you scared of ants? Umbrella. Very good. What's this? Ink. What is ink used for? It's used for For painting? No. When we write, like for example here on the board, you can see color red, right? Because I'm using red, red ink. Lupon. What's this, Lupon? What's this? You don't know? Ink. You feel sleepy? Lupon feels sleepy. Okay, so I will call a student now, and then you're going to put it on the letter of the beginning sound. Okay? Who wants to volunteer? What is this again? Octopus. What is the beginning sound of octopus? Do not say, I will call someone. Okay, Alex. What letter is octopus? A-E-I-O-U. What letter? Okay, paste it below the letter. Below. Very good. Is it correct? Okay, a round of applause for Alice. A round of applause like this. A round of applause. Sit down. Okay, next. Who wants to answer next? Wait. What is this? What letter is elephant? No, change. Pautang. Pautang wants to answer. You put it below the letter. What letter? Is it correct? Yes or no? Is it correct? Check. Okay, very good. Next, we have here. What's this? Upside down. Very good. Upside down. Who wants to answer? Let's have Lupon, because Lupon feels sleepy a while ago. Lupon, come here. Upside down. What letter? Upside down. What letter? Okay. Is it correct? Upside down is letter U? Check the wall. Huh? Check. Okay. Next we have. What letter is this? Okay. What's this one? Igloo. What letter is igloo? No. Who wants to answer? Hands down. Set up. Baibun stand first. Okay, Baibun will answer. Wait. Yes. Third, wait. Okay, is it correct? Igloo is letter I? Yes or no? Okay, next we have. Yes, apple. What is the beginning sound of apple? Who wants to answer? Oh, everyone wants to answer. Down. One clap. King Mai, but King Mai finished, right? Wait, King Mai finished? No. Okay. I thought you're finished. But King Mai will answer. Apple is what letter? Okay, I will call you later. Is it correct? Apple is letter A. Check the box. Huh? Check. Very good. Next. What's this? Ostrich. What letter is I want image because image said I'm not finished. Okay, very good. Ostrich. You're not finished, Galet? Wait. Everyone wants to answer. Okay, next, let's have Caleb. Caleb wants to answer. So, what's this one, Caleb? Ant. Okay, what letter is ant? Below. Put it below. Oh my god, this bunch of below that apple. Okay, very good. Is it correct? Ant. A is for ant. Is it correct? A, very good. How about this one? What's this? Umbrella. Umbrella is what is the beginning sound? Who can answer? Okay, Chicha. Oh, Chicha was what letter, Chicha? What letter? Very good. What letter? Letter U. Okay, next we still have two pictures. What's this one? Ink. Oh, Baingan. Because Baingan was so silent at the back. Oh, Baingan. Come here and answer. Ink. What letter is ink? Letter? Ink. Okay, very good. Ink. I. And the last one. Yuri? Ah, Yuri wants to answer. Okay. Come here, Yuri. No, you don't want? Oh, another student. Nabun. Nabun. Egg. What letter is egg? Huh? Okay. So again, A is for apple. Very good. A is for again. A is for ant. Say also A is for ant. E is for again. E is for again. I is for igloo. Again. Igloo. I is for ink. O is for octopus. O is for U is for down. U is for umbrella. Okay, who wants to volunteer and come here? You will name all of this. Okay, by mood. Sit up by mood. Make your voice louder, okay? A is for very good. Louder. Very good. Ostrich. Very good. Okay, let's give by 1, 5 claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next. All time. All time. Now A is for. A is E is for. I. I. O is ostrich. Upside down, the card is upside down. It can be car, it can be your shirt, upside down. Who else? I need another student. One more. Okay, Caleb, come here, Caleb.
I don't want.
You don't want? Why? A is for.
Apple.
A is for.
Tree.
E is for.
Elephant.
E is for.
Egg.
I is for. O is for. U is for. Oh, sorry, O is for. U is for. U is for. Umbrella, very good. So what else that starts with A aside from apple and ant? Can you think of another word that starts with A?
Alligator.
Oh, very good. Alligator. What else?
Apple.
Apple is here. What else? Andy. Okay, how about E? What else starts with E aside from Andy? How about I? What else? Aside from E and D? Huh? Island. Very good, Farah. How about O? Ostrich is here. What else? Aside from Oliver. Yes. How about letter U? What? Omelette is U. Omelette is O. How about you? What else is Umpire. Very good. Okay, so what else is A? Yeah, so did you learn something today? Did you learn something today? What did we learn today again? We learned about? Yes, A-E-I-O-U. A-E-I-O-U are what letters? Vowel. Vowel letters. How many vowel letters there are? 5 vowel letters. What are those? A. Okay, very good. So that's all for today. Goodbye, everyone. Okay, bye.